So G-Class pre-facelift model, we have a special facelift loop transporter and the front upper roof spoiler. LED are functional in two different colors, yellow and white. This is how it looks underneath. So there's a proper placement of the LEDs, proper slot already made. This is plastic. This is plastic PUR material. There's the two corners that are coming on the sides. Alright, so you can fit it in. Okay. And the hood scoop, we have special design for pre-facelift or after facelift model. High quality plastic as well. You can see this one. This is underneath, back side, so there's a proper spacing where you can put silicone. Okay, it's reinforced, so it will not shrink or something. You can see this is like backing plate. Plastic is good quality, guys. There's a grill over there, and here it is also closed one. Alright, so that's a set, that's a package. LED, white or yellow, both. Wires are for simple installation.